can feel those three big letters stuck in my head forever. It makes me feel a certain way. There is no escape.
Tiny rectangles and perforated edges. Combination of senses, a chance to learn some lessons.
A chance to learn some lessons.
That is what it came for.
That is what it came for.
Tiny rectangles and perforated edges. Combination of senses, a chance to learn some lessons, important lessons.
You gotta learn those important lessons, 'cause if you don't then it'll toss you out in the open like an ocean. So hope that you're not broken. I come with those tiny rectangles and perforated edges, baby. So why can't I be walking my way? I've been walking my way. Something in my way. There's something in my way. There's something in my way. I don't need it, I don't need it, but I love it, so I'm probably gonna fucking seek it. So tell me what's the fucking secret that LSD's been keeping from me. It takes up a weekend to make your mind up after seeing yourself for the first time clearly. It's as if you fear me, that we're nearing something that you're feeling deeply. So deep in your soul, deep in your cluttered mind is where I go when your mind has been opened, or at least that's what I'm hoping. So